Good morning friends. In this video we are going to see about share market. So we couldn't post video on it due to health issues. So from here after we will continue. So viewers who are watching this video, we are requesting them to subscribe and also press bell button so that you will get notified whenever we post videos. When it comes to share market, we used to advise three things. Persons who are taking classes or advising tips, you should ask them these three questions for your safety and safety of your fund. First, ask them whether they are trading with their own techniques. Number two, if they are trading, ask them whether they are profitable. Number three, if yes, ask them for the proof, that is the trading contract. They have to trade on their own money. That is also one more thing. So persons who are doing this are good traders and you can attend their classes also. They are good persons. Just for your safety and for safety of your amount funds, we are suggesting this in every share market videos. So now we are going into the video. So far we have seen three techniques in share market. One is fifth lot and its 311 lots. Whenever they are combined and in a good position, that is a lucky day and we can make money. Second is Panapara planets, they will give money. Third is Apoklima planets, they will give money. So today we are going to see one more technique in which we are noting down the Panapara planets degrees, and whenever the transit moon touches those degree, they will get money. So in the above chart you can see three planets are in Panapara, that is Sun, Venus and Jupiter. Jupiter is in 12 degree, Venus in 17 degree and Sun is in 3 degrees. So these are Panapara degrees. Now on 11th June 2020 we have transit moon moving in 3 degrees. So which is exactly the degree of natal sun. It should not touch the natal sun. You can touch 3 degrees in all the signs. If it is a good sign, it will give good profit and victory. Here it is 10th house, so it is giving success. So here it will be lasting for 2 hours because moon moves 1 degree for every 2 hours. So now the time frame is selected and now you have to select the sector. So moon 3 degree 14 minutes at 9:46, that is the time where the trade have been taken. At that time Navamsa is Tula. Tula is ruled by Venus and the nakshatra is Mars. So Mars and Venus stands for wines, the drinks, the wine liquor manufacturing companies, distilleries, spirits, etc. So that is the sector to be focused on. So here moon is transiting at 3 degrees and in Navamsa it is at Tula, and also moon is in the constellation of Mars and Upagraha of Venus. Here also Mars and Venus are coming. So the strong sector should be wines, and also Mars and Venus are placed in Kendra to each other in transit, so it is preferable to go long. Afterwards markets reversed, so the position has to be closed. That will be studying under the index movement. We have to trade as per the index, that is the Nifty. So here you can see in the above chart we have shown the entry time in McDowell, which is around 6:15, and we have closed it around 6:22. I am just telling the approximate rates, which is one lot in futures. So using the leverage concept, it will give the return equal to around 10 to 12%. So this is how we can make quick money using GMP astrology. And also in the next slide we have shown the trading contracts, which will show the entry time and exit time, which you can cross check with the NSE also, and also any software. So this is the trade we have taken yesterday and we are profitable. So soon we are planning to start some Telegram channels where we will be providing free technical calls. So soon notification will be there through Facebook or YouTube. So our students can follow and join the Telegram group whomsoever interested. So there will be posting intraday and short-term trading calls. So if you have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. We will be clearing the doubts in 2 to 4 days, or you can send in WhatsApp where you will be sending the queries in maximum 1 week. If you have not cleared the doubt in this week, you will carry forward to next week. And also some persons are trying to trade based on this, and some are making money and some are losing. What we are advising is the classes were not conducted till now for share market, so we request them to wait patiently. We are planning for online classes also due to COVID. So after attending that, you can start trading with your own money. We have practiced this for almost 5 years and now executing the trades. So you need some experience and gain confidence, and then only it should trade, otherwise it will lead to loss. So we are requesting everyone to observe, and then once they gain confidence, then they can start putting in their own money. So this is the advice. And also in the meantime, you can go through the Facebook post where Gurji have posted around lot of 10 to 15 articles related to share market. You can download it and you can use it for your research purposes. So that's it for the day. So if you have any doubts, we are again asking you to post in the comment section. And also you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. So always use stop loss. That's it for the day. Take care. Bye.